Now, word problems are given. So first word problem. Whenever word problem is there, first we have to read our word problem. Then after that you have to understand, and after that you have to decide what you have to do. Addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. You have to decide. Then after that write your steps. Write your steps. Then after solution. Then after that your conclusion. Okay. Now here in the first year, the publication of a book 3,57,423 copies were sold. In second year, 5,63,832 copies were sold. And in the third year, 9,84,363 copies were sold. How many copies of the books were sold in all? In all the 3 years, how many copies were sold? So, how many copies in all the 3 years means we have to add. So that here first we have to understand. Publication is there. So that publication they sold so many so and so books on first year, and second year so and so books they sold, and third year so and so books they sold. So then after that what he is asking, in all the 3 years how many books he sold, that publication they sold in these 3 years he is asking. Means we have to add. We have to add number of books what they sold in these 3 years. In these 3 years. Now solution. First steps. Number of books sold in first year. Number of books. Sold in first year. How many books they sold? 3,57,423. The number of books sold in third year, in second year. Number of books sold in second year. In second year, how many books? 5,63,832. Next. Number of books sold in third year. How many books? 9,84,363. Now here, this is the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, and lakhs place. Okay. So the digits, ones digits should come exactly below to the ones. So in the same way, tens, same way hundreds, thousand, 10,000, and lakh, and lakh. Now you add 3 plus 2, 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. In ones place. Now 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 2, 10, 11. 11 means 1 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place. Then 8 plus 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 4, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 means 6 hundreds and 1 in thousands place. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 4, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. 5 in thousands place, 1 in 10,000s place. Then 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 8, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 means 0 in 10,000s place and 2 in lakhs place. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. Total number of copies. Total copies 3 years. Total copies were sold in 3 years. 19,05,618 copies were sold in these 3 years. Okay. Now, second word problem. The difference between the two numbers is 72,87,984. Difference is given. Smaller number 28,01,325. Find the greater number. Here difference is given. This is the difference and this is the subtrahend. Difference and subtrahend is given and he is asking minute. When he asks minute, we have to add difference as well as subtrahend. If we add minute, if we add subtrahend and as well as the difference, then you will get minute. It means bigger number. It means bigger number. Here, difference of two numbers. Difference of is equal to 72,87,984. This is the difference. Now, smaller number. Which one is the smaller number? 28 lakhs 1,325. Then we have to find bigger number, that is greater number. That is greater number. Greater number. How you will get greater number? If we add these two numbers, then you will get greater number. It means difference and subtrahend. If we add difference and subtrahend, then you will get minute, that is greater number. Now we add 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 plus 2, 9, 10. 10 means 0 is in hundreds, 1 in 0 is in tens, 1 in hundreds. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 3 in hundreds, 1 in thousands. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Single digit, no need to take carry ball. 8 plus 0, 8. Then 8 plus 2, 8. 9, 10. 10 means 0 in lakhs, 1 in 10 lakhs. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Then 1,89,309. This is our greater number. Okay. Remaining one question is there. So one problem, that is home assignment. Okay. Next now students, performance B. In performance B, subtraction of large numbers. So here we are going to learn about subtraction of larger number. How to minus, how to subtract the given numbers. Here, in the first question, the sum of two numbers is given 65,907, and one of the number is 9,84,394. Find the other number he is asking. Find the other number he is asking. So here, sum of two numbers is given, one of the number is given. So we have to find other number. It means here we have to subtract. How to subtract? From the sum, one of the number we have to subtract, then we will get other number. There are two addends. In the two addends, one of the addend is given, and sum is given. Then we have to find other addends. How to find other addend? So in total sum, we have to make minus one addend. Then you will get other addend. Then you will get other addend. How? See here. Solution. Sum of two numbers. Sum of. So what is sum of two numbers? 65 lakhs 45,907. sum of two numbers. So one of the number is equal to, here how many digits we have? First you have to write the place values here. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is lakhs, this is 10 lakhs. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 places are there. Means till lakhs place. There is no 10 lakhs. Now you start from lakhs place. So 9 lakhs starts from here. Don't start from here. 9 lakhs. The lakhs place exactly below to the lakhs only. Then 84. 8 is in 10,000 place. 4 is in thousands place. Now 3 is in hundreds place, 9 is in tens place, and 4 is in ones place. Now minus. Here minus is bigger. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Here minus is smaller. Take borrow from the next. Here we will decrease by 1. Means we will get 8. Here we will increase by 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is how much? From 4 to 8 you have to count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 5. Then 5 minus 4. Consecutive numbers, so difference is 1. 8 minus 4. Minute is smaller. Then take borrow from here. So it will increase by 10. 4 will get 14. Here decrease by 1. 14 minus 8 means 8 to 4, 9 to 14 you have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total 6. Then 4 minus 9. So minute is smaller, so again you take borrow from the next. It will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. 4 is there, it will get 14. Then 14 minus 9 means 10 to 14 you have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That is 5. And here 5. The other number is another number, that is 55 lakhs 61,513. This is another number. So next, subtract each of the following. So here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Till 10 lakhs. Equal digits are there. So till 10 lakhs we have to write. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now 33 lakhs 43,801. Next 28 lakhs 97,664. Now minus 1 minus 4, it's not possible. Here 0 is there, take borrow from here, it will decrease by 1, it means 7. It will increase by 10, 0 means 10. Again from here, so we have to take borrow, it will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. 1 is there, 1 plus 10, 11. 11 minus 4, 11 minus 4 is 7. 9 minus 6, 3. 7 minus 6, these are a consecutive number, so difference is 1. 3 minus 7, so minute is smaller, again you take borrow from the next place. It will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. 3 will get 13. 13 minus 7, 8 to 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 6. Then 3 minus 9, minute is less, again take borrow from next. Here it will decrease by 1, means here we will get 2. Here increase by 10. 13 minus 9 is 4. 2 minus 8. 2 is a minute. 2 is a minute. Again you take borrow from the next place. It will decrease by 1. It will increase by 10. 12 minus 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 4. Here 2 minus 3 is 0. So 4,46,137. This is our difference. This is our difference. Now, here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up to 10 lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up to 10 lakhs. Means ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. Now 42 lakhs 87,603. Next 29 lakhs 65,711. Minus 3 minus 1. My need is bigger, no need to take borrow. 3 minus 1 is 2. Here my need is 0, so you take borrow from next. Here it will decrease by 1. It will increase by 10. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. Here 5 minus 7. 5 is a minute. It is a less. So take borrow from here. It will decrease by 1. It will increase by 10. Then 15 minus 7. 8 to 15 you have to count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 8. 6 minus 5. These are the consecutive numbers. Then 1. 8 minus 6. 7, 8, 2. Then again you take borrow from here. It will decrease by 1. It will increase by 10. 9, 10, 11, 12, 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. That is 13 lakhs 21,892. This is your answer. Then you write your answer here. 13 lakhs 21,892. Here also your answer. 4 lakhs 46,137. Now, in this question, here it is given. So, we have to subtract from this, the given number from this number. Okay, and also we have to check our answer. So, we have to check our answer also. And then, first we have to make minus first. From which number? From this number, we have to subtract this number. First, we have to take this. 3 crore 28 lakhs 92,502. And next 28 lakhs 92,504 minus. Then, so we have to take borrow from here 4. It will get 10. From here again 9, get 12. 12 minus 4, 12 minus 4 is 8. 9 minus 0, 9. Again you take borrow from here. It will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. 14 minus 5, 9. It will decrease by 1, again take borrow. It will increase by 10. 11 minus 2 is 9. And again from here, take borrow from here. It will decrease by 1 and it will increase by 10. 18 minus 9 is again 9. Again we take borrow from here. It will decrease by 1 and it will increase by 10. 7 minus 8, 17 minus 8 is 9 and 1. Take borrow from here. It will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. 11 minus 2, 9. 2 crore 99 lakhs 99,998. What is our minus? 2 crore 99 lakhs 99,998. 998. Now we have to check. How to check? Now we have to add difference and subtrahend. If we add difference and subtrahend, we should get this. So then our answer is correct. Now you take the difference. What is the difference? 2 crore 99 lakhs 99,998. Then this is the difference. And subtrahend 28 lakhs 92,504. Now you add this. 8 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 means 2 in tens place, 1's place, and 1 is in tens place. Now 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means 0 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 in 5 in hundreds place, 1 in thousands place. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 2 in thousands place, 1 in 10,000s place. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 9 in 10,000s place and 1 in lakhs place. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 8 in lakhs place and 1 in 10 lakhs place. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 2 in 10 lakhs place, 1 in crores place. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 crore 28 lakhs 92,000. 3 crore 28 lakhs 92,502. That answer we got. It means our answer is correct. How to check our answer? After make minus, after finding difference, the difference plus subtrahend we have to add. Difference plus subtrahend, it should give the answer. What? That is minute. So if we get minute, then our answer is correct. Otherwise it is not correct. Okay? In this way we have to check. And this is also similar question. First we have to minus. Then from this means first we have to add that one. 38 lakhs 29,187. Then 17 lakhs 63,477. We have to minus. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7, 0. 8 minus 7, alternate number means serial number. 1 is the difference. 1 minus 4, minute is less. Take power from next. It will decrease by 1. It will increase by 10. 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 means 5 to 11 we have to count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 7. Total 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 means 4 to 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 5. Again this is lesser minute. Carry from the borrow from the next. It will decrease by 1. It will increase by 10. 12 minus 6 is 6. 7 minus 7, 0. 3 minus 2 is 20 lakh 65,710. 710. This is our answer. What is our answer? 20 lakhs 65,710. Now check. Now this is the difference. This is the difference and this is the subtrahend. Add difference and subtrahend. Now you check. 0 plus 7 is 7. And 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 means 1 in hundreds place, 1 in thousands place. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 means 2 in 10,000s place, 1 in lakhs place. 2 plus 7 plus 1 8, 2 plus 1 3, 38 lakhs 29,187. That answer we get. Okay, so this is minus means difference, and this is subtrahend, and this is minuend. So if we add difference and subtrahend, we will get minuend.